Hello everyone, it's Mitch again. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the process when you visit the Daehan Outpatient Center for the very first time. I'll be showing you how the check-in process works, where to find all the exam rooms, and even the pharmacy. So, if you're ready, follow me inside now. This must be the check-in kiosk. After your first consultation, you'll receive this card. Make sure to scan the barcode on the barcode scanner. Then, all you need to do is press print. Once you receive your paper, at the bottom in the box, you will see which room you have to go to. Go to that room and then just wait for the number at the top to be called out. Then it's your turn to be consulted. Looks like I've got to go to room number 3. Okay, I thought I'd try the selfie mode to see how I looked. What do you think? So it looks like I've got to go get an MRI scan. We're here in the main building and I'm going to show you exactly where to go to get your MRI scans. Follow me. Let's go. See that over there? That's the MRI room where I'll be getting my scan. There are large signs all along the hallways, so you really don't have to worry about getting lost. So follow me, let's go get it done. After your consultation is finished, and if you've been given a prescription, you can come here to the Daehan Outpatient Pharmacy. It's located on B2 at the D section. And you can see it over there, right? The pharmacy? Come with me and we'll go together. Here it is right here. In this video today, I talked you through how to find the exam rooms, how to use the check-in process, also find the pharmacy here at the Daehan Outpatient Center. Everything was clearly labeled all over the hallways and super easy to find. So even for a foreigner like me, it was a completely comfortable experience. I hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see you next time. Goodbye everybody.